Bitcoin is about to create this next big move. But do not get fooled, because at the one side, people are starting to warn you because of this momentum that is right now diverging on that daily time frame. We are creating a huge CME gap down below us. But guys, at the other side, well, we are getting so close towards our spot Bitcoin ETF approval window. Literally every single day, we are getting more and more bullish news about our spot Bitcoin ETFs. Today, BlackRock will be buying $10 million worth of Bitcoin. And guys, we are on the verge of a big breakout. So we need to be talking about this exactly, about the institutions which are right now buying up Bitcoin, about some altcoins and more. So guys, can we once again reach above the 60 likes? That would be absolutely epic. And as always, let's first of all have a look into what's that imminent short term. And basically, what we can be seeing over here is that after our huge move towards the upside, which we actually basically perfectly predicted, literally I was screaming to buy more Bitcoin at these lows over here. It was kind of crazy, but right now we are creating this new bull flag pattern, and if we are going to be breaking this one out towards the upside, well, we do have an official breakout target all the way up towards the 48k level, guys, which is exactly going to be our longer term target. If you have been following me for a longer time, you of course already know that the 48k level is exactly going to be my target. So yeah, this breakout target exactly confluencing with my exact target, I think is no coincidence. Now do keep in mind that whenever we are going to be breaking this one out towards the upside, well, we are not going to be immediately reaching our target. Probably it can be taking a few more days. But in my opinion, yeah, that momentum is right now definitely towards the upside. I am right now definitely looking in towards long positions. And I have been saying in yesterday's video, whenever we can be getting that retest of this previous resistance right now turning in towards support, well, that is going to be a very good buying opportunity. Now, we did not quite reach our support level right here quite yet, but we can definitely see that we have reached our previous high right here, and we have tested it as support right now. Now, if we are still going to be coming back towards our support level right here, well, I'm still definitely going to be interested in buying up more Bitcoin at this retest. And actually, if we have a look into what's the Bitcoin price right now, we might actually be breaking out right now at this exact time of recording this video. Now, what I want to be seeing is a retest of this breakout with volume confirmation, and then definitely I do think we can be headed even higher. So guys, I will be trying to upload this video as quick as possible so you guys can even still trade this breakout potentially. Now, if we are actually going to be having a look into what is right now happening inside of the market, well, basically this whole push, this whole trend towards the upside has basically been initiated by this spot Bitcoin ETF. And this approval window is approaching very, very quickly. And I have been saying for the past couple of weeks over here and also over here and also at these lows over here that as we are going to be approaching our spot Bitcoin ETF approval, well, we are going to be headed higher and higher. We are going to be seeing more and more pumps happening as we are going to be remaining to approach our spot Bitcoin ETF approval window. And after it actually gets accepted, well, then after that, we might be experiencing some kind of correction, because do keep in mind that longer term, yeah, it is starting to look kind of dangerous. But for now, well, I'm not really paying all too much attention in towards that exactly right now, because definitely right now in the short term, Bitcoin is still definitely looking quite good. I still do think our 48k target is going to be getting reached. That upside liquidity beautifully got taken, like we have discussed many times. Now, if we are going to be once again creating more liquidity on that top side, definitely I do think once again it is going to be getting grabbed. And if we are going to be creating that liquidity on the top side, well guys, I will be updating you guys as soon as possible. Now, institutions are currently still buying. We can be seeing a huge CME premium, which these institutions are right now paying a huge premium in order to buy and in order to long Bitcoin. And if they are willing to pay such a huge premium, well, definitely they know something more, which we do not know yet. Okay, if they are willing to pay a premium in order to long Bitcoin, well, definitely they are expecting higher prices. Now, Now that weekly time frame has been absolutely beautiful. Literally, it has been so easy to trade. We broke above this resistance, flipped it into its support, and right after that we were headed even higher. Right here, once again, we are doing the same exact thing. We broke above resistance, flipped it into its support, and right again, we are headed higher. Just like these altcoins, the altcoins that I have been picking are performing exceptionally well. Literally, Arbitrum is about to reach new all-time highs, and at this moment of recording this video, I think it has already reached new all-time highs. Literally, we have already been talking about this coin at the exact lows. Now, also do keep in mind that also, like I've been saying, during the spot Bitcoin ETF event and also during the Bitcoin halving, well, a little bit before these events, do expect the Bitcoin dominance to rise just a little bit. But in general, I do think the general trend should be once again towards the downside. So altcoins should be outperforming Bitcoin, but just during these events, well, do expect that Bitcoin is going to be picking up some market share again. And just having a quick look into what's Ethereum, well, Ethereum is looking absolutely beautiful in my opinion, and in the short term, Ethereum is also about to create a huge breakout. Of course, we do already know that Bitcoin already created its huge breakout, but Ethereum is lagging behind just a little bit right here. Of course, Ethereum against Bitcoin is at a huge decision point. Are we going to be breaking down below our support right here, or are we going to be breaking our downtrend? Well, that is going to be deciding whether Ethereum is going to be performing very good in the following months, or if Ethereum is actually going to be performing quite bad. But most definitely, this breakout over here will be quite huge for Ethereum, so stay tuned for that. And guys, if you do want to be trading this breakout that might be upcoming over here, make sure to grab your free $1,000 on Bybit. You can right now register a new account, complete KYC level 1, deposit at least $100, and you can claim a free $1,000 position. Now, if Bybit is not available for you, well, you can also trade on Bitunix with no KYC, no restrictions. You can be getting a 25% trading bonus cashback. So if you deposit $100, you get $25 back, and so on and so on. So yes, sign up on Bitunix if Bybit is not available for you. And guys, with that being said, make sure to be following me on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development, and I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.